you can simply search in your search bar. This is the code editor search bar. Here you can search your place or data set. I want to a data set. This data set name is USDOS. This is the large scale international boundary polygon. I simply use the simplified this data set. I simply click on this data set and I can get all of this information about data set. And this data set will be provided the United States. And this data set, you can see all of this information about data set. This data set will be provide you all of the country boundary shapefile. Okay. So I simply import it. Click to the imported. You can see it will be imported. And in this time, this default variable name is the table. Okay. It will be same. If you want, you can change it or not. It's totally depend on you. So now I want to filter this data set included all of this country, but I want to filter for only one country. Okay. For this, you need to make a variable. I can make a variable. You already know that when you define the variable, you must use the var keyword. And I define the variable name is the country. And after this, you can see here, you want to filter. You want to filter the table because this table included the all of this country boundary shapefile. So I simply call the table. I simply call the table. Okay. Then I want to filter. So I simply use the filter function. And then how I can filter? I want to filter where something is equal to something. So I simply use here the EE dot filter, art engine filter equal. Okay. What's equal what? I define it in here. So here you can see this is our data set. And we can filter this data set different way. You can filter this data set using the country code. You can filter this data set country, name, or world region. Suppose I want to simply use the country NA. I simply copy this country NA. Okay. And I simply paste here. Suppose paste here. And then I define my country name. Suppose I want to showing this from the Bangladesh. Okay. And then I want to show this layer. I simply use here the map dot add layer function. So in this time, what is our object name?
Country.
Country. I simply put here the country. And then other things is not, I simply remove it. Okay. And then I want to focus in the zoom level. Suppose I want to use here the map center object function. And then use here the country variable name. And I want 10. And when I click to the run, I can get the country boundary shapefile of Bangladesh. Okay. Suppose you want to get the another country. Suppose I want to need for the India. I simply use the India. I simply click the run. I can get this country boundary shapefile. For India. Suppose I want to get for the Pakistan. I can get this result for Pakistan. Country boundary shapefile. Okay. So this is the one process for country name. If you want, you can also use for the country code. Suppose I want to simply use here the CO, it means the country code. And then I can simply use here the country code for India IN. I simply click to the run. Then I can get this shapefile for the India. I can simply use here the BG for Bangladesh country code. I simply use here the BG. I can get for the country code for Bangladesh. You can get all of this country code from this link. This is the link. You can just simply copy this link. You can get all of this country code from this link. It will be provided you all of this country code in the world. You can what country you need, you just simply put this code and you can get this shapefile from here. Okay. So this is the another way for you can get all of this country code shapefile. So any question?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Like here you use the previous code, you use country name and then write Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay. And now like if I like the spelling is not Bangladesh, like the spelling is mistake, then we can get the same result, or it will
we cannot get the same result. Your name must be for the US recognized country name. When you write the name, it will be US recognized country name, and it should,
okay, I have to follow the string as well. Like
yeah,
it's country.
yeah.
Okay. Understand. Now I understand. Okay, thank you.
So now I will try to show you the another. Suppose you want to import a raster image. So this is the vector part. I will complete it all of these things. So how you can import it, this shape file, and showing this layer in here, and how you can filter your own shape file. Then how you can use the USDOS dataset, and other vector dataset will be available in Google Earth Engine platform for the specific country or a specific city. Just you can search this and filter. This is the same way. First of all, you imported this shape file. This is a table. Then you want to filter this table. And how you can filter? You want to filter the country code, where country code equal BZ, or Bangladesh country code BZ. Okay. So for this, I simply use here the BZ. You can see it will be showing the BZ, and I can simply use here the map add layer for showing this layer in here, and map center object showing for this object and the zoom level in this time. Okay. So now if you want, you can also import it. Suppose if you have a Landsat or Sentinel imagery which you downloaded from the other sources,